The reason the MiG-29 wasn't in the ghost flight at AirVenture this day was because of the passenger in the back was not certified for it, so they scrapped the launch of only the MiG-29.
Massive starship with human on board. Ladies and gentlemen, your Ghost Squadron. But more importantly, we want to inspire people to dare to dream and realize. And leading our diamond formation, Phillips, Sticky Arenado, and Major Ryan Stinger, official of the United States Air Force.
Just based on those aerodynamics. Today will include everything. Everybody gets a chance to fly today. From the biggest two-engine aircraft, they had three sensors across the wing that you might notice another difference. They ran from the leading edge to the trailing edge and protruded probably 2 or 3 inches above the wing. That's another telltale way to differentiate between the two. They had
St. Jude's Children's Research Hospital, building off the 250 million raised for this great research. Because we believe that we will soon live in a